common mode rejection, that ground loop error, we've seen it for a long time when we're measuring capacitors, and we've been using a lot of passive transformers and the solid state ones. But now we're starting to get down into even lower impedances. With a 2,000 amp power rail, we need to measure micro-ohms. And again, there we're having to try to push our instruments even further. So at 2,000 amp power delivery network at 40 micro-ohms is not easy or intuitive. Calibration can then be used to further improve this accuracy. This is a little bit for those people who are trying to get simulation to measurement correlation. You have to remember that where you place your probe may not be exactly where you're simulating, or you may be adding parasitics in the path between your probe and where you really want to measure. There's techniques for de-embedding. There's also, you have to watch that ground loop. And you can see here this slide, the first thing it has in there is the inductance in the path. And inductance is basically a filter of a high frequency. So that can, easily start corrupting your data if you have inductance and some resistance in that path to your measurement point where you really want the data from. The power rail is very low impedance, and the scope is typically high impedance.